Good day, everyone. I'm here again in level 1, problem number 7. And I'm going to show you about output variables using comma and plus. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. By using comma, we're going to print using comma and print the values are A, B, and C. And by using plus, print using plus, and then print the total is plus A plus B plus C combination. Using comma, automatically separate items with space and can handle numbers or text. By using plus, join text requires numbers to be converted using sign. So like this. And in this code, you're going to run this. And the output of that code is using comma. The values are 10, 20, and 30. So that's all. Thank you.